right Congo, King Congo. From here, well, sometimes they are not here. They change the place. They move to another place. Yeah. You see them down there. They're called Obi. Yeah, right there. There are many. Sometimes we are fishing at night. They pass to us. They don't make noise. Now we get afraid. We are afraid. Because so fast and not noise.
Are they the reflective ones you can see in the light?
Yeah.
They shimmer as they go by.
We have frigate birds. Maybe you saw the black one with the red. Yeah, they are the main. Females are black and white. The males, they are all black and with a black thing here, like a balloon. People say they are when they are with yellows.
Show off.
Yeah, like gecko. You know gecko? Many people ask me why so many birds in that island. So many islands here, just here so many. Because around the islands they get more food.
Whoa.
More food. And also